everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Dore from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to ask a very simple question. What is the meaning of native advertising, guys? I'm going to explain the answer in today's video. So before we go into today's video, please help us. Small help only, guys. Please hit the big red subscribe button for this channel, the like button for this video only if you liked this video. At the end of the video, guys, not now. And do not forget to hit the bell notification as well so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you inside today's video, guys. Let's begin.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to talk about what is the meaning of native advertisement, guys. So basically we're going to tell you what native advertisement is, how you can actually use native advertisement, what's the tool for you to actually go ahead and use native advertisement. So the concept is very simple, guys. When we talk about native advertising, right, first you need to know what is actually a native ad. So from that question, what is native ads, you can actually go ahead and answer the question on what is native advertising. So basically native ads is native ads is actually a paid ads in the form which it actually blends with any background that it fits on. For example, let's say it's actually a paid ad, but when it goes to a in-feed, right, it will look exactly like an in-feed post. When it goes to search result, it will look exactly like a search result. When it goes to social media, it will look exactly like a social media ad. So that is actually a native ad. The prospect of native ads is that it should not look like an ad at the first place. So native advertising, on the other hand, is about bringing that particular native ads and showing to the audience. So the whole process of building the native ads up to showing it to the audience is the process involved behind what we call as native advertisement. So regardless of whatever, when you talk about native advertisement, right, there's actually two sectors of people who's involved. One is actually called the publishers, and one is actually called the advertisers. So simple different. If you go any advertising networks, they will actually have this. One is publisher, one is advertiser. So the simple difference is that publishers are those who have already have those amount of traffic. They want to go ahead and monetize those traffic. They have a website, they have a video, they have a blog post, whatsoever, guys, but they have traffic and they want to monetize those traffic. While advertisers, on the other hand, they do not have traffic, but they have offers, they have money, and they want to buy those traffic. So both are these actually considered as affiliate marketers, but the one that we will be doing most is the advertiser part. But keep in mind that if you are an advertiser, right, we are talking in the terms of native ads, right? So you're an advertiser, now you're going to go ahead and choose an offer and build your native ads around that offer, and then you want to bring that offer to the public, right? So that is your job as an advertiser. But the way when you bring your particular ads to the public, right, it would be in the publisher's side. So you can see that how it actually correlate between both of these both of these peoples, right, both the advertisers as well as the publishers. So it's actually correlated between them. So basically that's what native advertising is. It's about creating your ad and bringing your ad to your audiences. So as your advertiser, you create an ad and you bring the ad via publishers, guys. But how do you actually do it? So the first thing that you have to do it, you have to go ahead and choose an offer. So to choose an offer, you can actually use any affiliate network. So different affiliate network has their own different requirement. Different affiliate network has their own pros and cons. So make sure you think about all that. So once you have did all that, then you can actually go to the offers and choose an offer. For ClickBank on the example, you have to go to the marketplace section, which is this one. And then you can actually see all the sub niches, everything here. So if you click on a sub niche, or you click on a niche, or you click on a sub niche, all the offers will appear here. So you can actually sort by gravity, which means how many people have actually bought this offer in the last 30 days. And then you can choose a particular offer and you can hit promote. So when you hit promote, right, there will be a pop-up and showing you generate hop links. So when you hit generate hop links, you will be generating your affiliate link. So that is actually your offer link. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go, the next step is for you to actually go ahead and build a landing page. So the tool that we actually use to build a landing page is actually Landerize. So keep in mind that a lot of affiliates actually tells you that don't build landing page straight away from the ad, go straight away to the offer page. This is not something which we highly recommend, because without landing page you will not be able to warm up the audience, you will not be able to engage the audience. And if you do not warm up the audience, if you do not engage the audience, there's a high probability that your click through rate will go down, and therefore your conversion rate will go down as well. So that's the main purpose why we actually run it in a landing page builder. And the landing page builder that we are using is called Landrise, guys. So I've actually attached a link to Landrise in the description of this video, and that link actually contains a free 14 days trial to Landrise as well. So if you take a look at this Landrise, right, the specialty about Landrise is that Landrise is actually built specifically catering for affiliate marketers as well as for affiliate page. Well, why is it? Is because you can straight away build your landing page and you can go ahead and upload your landing page within the AWS, which is your account. But it doesn't happen like magic. You have to set it up, but don't worry, because if you go to the getting started section, right, they will literally teach you step by step on how to set up the Amazon S3 and how to connect the Amazon S3 with Landrise. So make sure you set all this up, and then you can actually go ahead and create a landing page. You can actually, when you hit create landing page, they will actually show you all the available templates. You can see there's like I think 58 templates available right now, and if you think it's less, or 65, they already increased. So if you think it's less, let me just tell you that Landrise is adding at least 4 brand new high converting templates every single week. And what we mean by high converting templates is that all this template has been tested, has been optimized by Colin and their team. And each of these template actually cater for different reasons: sweepstakes, neutral, and all this kind of stuff. So all you gotta do is just choose a particular landing page, just name it. The name is usually the offer name. So once you have actually named it, right, all you gotta do is just edit it. So if you want to watch me editing landing page, you can actually watch my live build, or you can even watch my channel in our channel in Landrise. There's a channel called Landrise where we actually go in depth on how to build each and every one of these templates, guys. So you can actually edit all this. So once you have actually edited, right, you're gonna go to the gear icon over here, or the editor icon, and then you're going to paste your destination URL. So destination URL is usually your click URL from Volume if you're using Volume. But if you're not using Volume, then it's going to be your offer URL. So you're just going to click a click URL, offer URL. You're going to change the links, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hit save, and then finally you're going to hit publish. So when you hit publish, they will literally ask you to choose a domain. Keep in mind that this is actually the domain that you have to set up prior, before we actually build this landing page. Remember, I told you to go ahead and set up this landing page first. That's the domain, guys. So once you have done that, oops, sorry, what happened? So you can actually go ahead and choose the domain, hit publish, and when you hit publish, there will be a prompt here, right? This prompt over here and this link over here is your landing page link. So you're gonna copy this link and you're gonna paste it in your campaign later on, or if you're using Volume, you're going to paste it in Volume. So I've actually talked a lot about volume. What is actually volume? So volume is actually an external tracker which we always use to actually capture all the data. Because if you know what is the media buying business all about, you would know that it's all about collecting data and optimizing those data and scaling those data. So data is king. So we need a specific software just to capture all this data, very very specific data that we can actually use to optimize. And that's the reason why we use Volume. So when you're using Volume, make sure you let Volume know what landing what affiliate network you're using by clicking and creating an affiliate network, what traffic source you're using by creating a traffic source, what offer you are using by creating offer, what lander you're using by creating lander, and what campaign you're using by creating campaign. So make sure you connect every single thing so that Volume know exactly what you're doing and how you're doing it. So once you've done with everything with Volume, we can actually go to the particular native advertising platform that you want to use. So there's like a lot of native advertising platform, guys, like Outbrain, Tabula, MGID, Rave Content, and all this kind of stuff. And each and every one of them has their own priorities, has their own pros, has their own cons, has their own weakness, has their own strength, guys. So make sure you do a research about this yourself, because I am not here to go ahead and promote regarding a particular native advertising platform and going to talk about that. We're not going to talk about that. For example, we like to use Outbrain, we like to use Rave Content, MGID, Tabula mostly. But my favorite is Outbrain, guys, definitely. But today I'm going to use Rave Content. I'm going to show you guys. So once you're in Rave Content, right, you're going to go to the campaign boost section. So you're going to hit create campaign. So what you're going to do is you can actually name your campaign. You can set the bid amount, you can set the budget amount. The budget amount for native ads is usually one time CPA if you have a budget lesser than $5,000. If you have budget more than $5,000, then it's going to be 1.5 times CPA. CPA means it's your payout, guys. So you can actually schedule your campaign when you want to run. You can actually target your campaign for a specific country. You can actually target a device, a specific device, what Android, iOS, all this kind of stuff. You target a specific language, and then once you hit save, right, sorry, let me just do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So once you hit save, right, you can actually go to the next section where you will actually create the creatives. So you can actually see over here, you can actually create a creative. So this is actually where your ads going to be. Your destination URL is going to be your campaign URL from volume, or you can just put your landing page URL here. So usually it's a campaign from volume. So once you have done that, this is where you're going to put your headline, this is where you're going to put your brand, and this is where you're going to put the image and you're going to submit. So if you don't know how to do this, usually you can add up to 10 creatives, but I will highly suggest you to add up to 4 to 5 or 6 creatives maximum, guys. So let's say you have no idea of which angles to use, which creatives to use, you can actually use Antrax. Antrax is actually a spy tool. We have been using Adiplexity for some time, but we like Antrax more because it's way more cheaper, more affordable for all the other users, because we want all other users to use spy tool as well. And also there's much more feature in Antrax compared to Adiplexity. I've actually attached the link to Antrax in the description of this video as well, so you can actually go to the Antrax, make sure you choose native, and then you can actually go ahead and choose a particular ad network. For example, you can actually choose Rave Content. Rave Content should be here. So Rave Content is here. So you can actually choose Rave Content. You can sort the ads by gravity descending, which means which offer is working the most, and then you can actually see how they actually structure the ads, what type of pictures they put, what type of ads they titles they put, and all this kind of stuff. And inside, if you take a look, you can actually see a much more deeper perspective of the ads. You can see the statistics, you can see the creative they use, you can see the landing page, the publishers they are using, the ad network, the geo, the device, and all this kind of stuff can be seen there. So basically that's how you bring your native ads to native advertising, guys. So I've literally explained to you what native advertising means. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, guys. But before finishing today's video, I just want to let you guys know, if you want to use volume, Landrise, or Antrax, I've actually attached the link in the description of this video, and a special 14 days free trial offer for Landrise is also available. And I have also attached a link to Dice University Forum. It's actually a community where affiliate comes from all over the world to create a community to help each other to strive together, guys. So make sure you go ahead and grab your seats there as well. So once that's it, guys. That's about it from me. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Before I go, I just want to ask a small favor from you. Please hit the rate subscribe button just below this channel, as well as the like button for this video only if you liked this video, and do not forget to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. So till then, tata, bye bye.